County says it will develop a policy for breastfeeding in its public buildings. This after a Mesquite mom says she was humiliated in a Dallas County courtroom, kicked out for breastfeeding her baby. News 8 started asking the county about its breastfeeding policy, and while there wasn't one, our questions have made them realize they need one. Here's News 8's David Goins.
For Nancy Ibarra, becoming a mom has been a dream come true. And she believes in a mother's instinct.
In general, a mother doesn't want to be told anything, how to raise her child or what to do with their child.
But she says that's exactly what happened inside this courtroom Tuesday. Ibarra took her younger brother to truancy court, and she was breastfeeding her 14-month-old son, Brody.
I was covered up. I was not exposed.
When she says a Dallas County constable approached her.
You cannot feed him in the courtroom. There are teenagers and there are parents in there.
If the mother had decided to continue to breastfeed, technically there's not anything we could do about it. She has that right.
Precinct 4 Constable Roy Williams Jr. says he spoke with the female officer who approached Ibarra. He says she used her best judgment.
I'll say there's not a policy in place. Obviously, that's one of those things where you don't realize there needs to be something written until the incident occurs.
Dallas County doesn't have a policy regarding moms breastfeeding in county-owned buildings. Judge Clay Jenkins tells News 8 that's going to change.
It has so many benefits, and for somebody to kind of like chew you out for doing it is ridiculous. So.
Ibarra just wants an apology.
And I don't ever want her to do that again and make mothers feel like they are making a bad decision.
And to make sure no other mom is shamed for just feeding their baby.
Ooh, thank you.
Late this afternoon, County Judge Clay Jenkins says this incident points out why they need a clearly defined policy, something he says is going to happen. They'll look at best practices from other areas and make sure everyone's rights are protected. In his words, promote mom's ability to feed her baby, reiterating that he says Dallas County is very much pro breastfeeding. Live in Dallas, David Goins, Channel 8 News.